Hello, everyone. My name is Danish Khan, and I'm a teacher by profession. I teach French language. Okay, I have been working with one of the branch of Delhi Public School. I'm working as head of the department over there. I work for 4 years. I teach French language across the globe. The people from Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, even from France. Those who has recently migrated to France, they are connecting to me and they are learning French from me. Moreover, like I always work for CBSE evaluation for 10th answer copies checking, and I work as invigilator also. And I think that we should make the things interesting. In my teachings, you will find there are so many activities and things are so many interesting. So if a teacher is able to create an interest, so 90% of the work has been done. The student have an interest, he can do the things very easily. Welcome to UrbanPro.com. Apprenez le français avec Danish. Danish is my name, and learn French with Danish. Okay. So today's topic is le passé composé, which is one of the important topic. Okay. So in this topic, what all we'll be learning today, we'll be learning description of passé composé, its formation, and avoir verb plays an important role in passé composé. So we'll also learn the conjugation of avoir and the past participle form and some ER, IR, and RE verbs and its conjugation and some irregular verbs with their PPF. Okay, let's start with passé composé. So what is passé composé? Passé composé is used to describe the completed action, the action which has completed, which means, like, for example, il a étudié toute la semaine, which means he has studied whole week. So it means he has already studied. The study has been completed. Okay, so we will be using passé composé here. One more example we'll just take. He has done his work. So work has been done. The action has been complete. Il a fait son travail. So the point is, the action is completed in passé composé. Let's go about the formation. How to form the passé composé. What is the formation? Okay, so passé composé is formed by conjugating the auxiliary verb, either être or avoir, in présent and adding the past participle form. So you can see here, subject plus avoir être in présent plus past participle form. We say PPF in short. Okay, so let's go ahead first learn with avoir verb. So to do the passé composé, we should know avoir verb. That is more important. So avoir verb, I hope you know it. That is j'ai, which means I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have in plural form. Ils ont, they have masculine plural. Elles ont, they have feminine plural. So once we learn the avoir verb, the 50% of the work has been done with passé composé. Because we need two things. One is avoir conjugation, another one is PPF. So we have done with the avoir verb. So please learn this and go to the next slide. That is the past participle form, PPF. In French, we say participe passé. So how to make the PPF? Let's talk about ER verb. If the infinitive verb end in ER, for example, aimer, what we do? We remove R and we put E accent aigu. You can see here, aimer changed to aimer. Okay. Let's talk about RE verb, IR verb. In IR verb, it's very simple. We just remove the R and rest is the PPF. For example, finir. Finir means to finish. We remove R and rest is the PPF. Okay. Let's talk about RE verb. We have done ER, we have done IR, now RE verb. For example, vendre. Vendre means to sell. It's ending by RE. So we remove RE, instead of RE we put U. Vendre. So it's very simple. I'm again recapping you that for ER verb we remove R and on the E we put l'accent aigu. In IR verb we remove R and rest is the PPF. In RE verb we remove RE and we put U. So in this way, we can make the PPF. So we wanted two things. Avoir conjugation, we have learned it, and now we are doing it PPF. The PPF has been made. Now by joining these two, we'll make the passé composé. Let's have a look. This is subject, avoir conjugation plus participe passé form. For example, the PPF here, participe passé form of regarder. Regarder means to watch. So we have the PPF here. Okay, regarder is an ER regular verb, so we remove R, and on the E we have put lexo AQ. Let's jump to the passé composé. So avoir conjugation. I taught you. Avoir conjugation. Je, tu as, il a. Now you can see here I have put je regardé. Je, I have regardé. I have watched. The action is complete. Tu as regardé. You have watched. Il a regardé. He has watched. Elle a regardé. She has watched. You can see here it's avoir conjugation plus PPF. Okay, it's very simple. We have done it. This is the avoir conjugation and this is the PPF. This is the avoir conjugation and this is the PPF. If you have learned the avoir conjugation, so it's very easy for you to understand. Okay, so first part you have to learn the avoir conjugation, and the second part is PPF. Now let's talk about some IR verb. Just a minute. Yeah, it's IR. I already told you in IR verb what we do. We remove R and rest is the PPF. I have taken finir. Finir means to finish. Okay, so we have removed R and rest is the PPF. Fini. It's very simple. If you can see here, we have written avoir conjugation and PPF. Je finis. Tu as, this is avoir conjugation and this is PPF. Il a fini. Elle a fini. You can see here, nous avons. This is the avoir conjugation, and then fini is the PPF, which means we have finished. The action is completed. I'm keep on saying the action is completed, which means the passé composé we use when the action is completed. Now vous avez, that is an avoir conjugation, plus PPF, fini. Ils ont, that is an avoir conjugation, and fini, that is a PPF. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, just have a look. This is the avoir conjugation and this is the PPF, fini. All right, wonderful. Now we were supposed to do the RE verb. Okay, let's go ahead and do the RE verb. You can see here RE verb. I have taken vendre. Vendre means to sell. You can see here, vendre means to sell. Okay, and how we have learned to make the PPF? We learned we have to make it. We remove RE and instead of RE we put U. So vendu. Again, you can see here avoir conjugation. You can see here this is the avoir conjugation and this is the PPF. So j'ai vendu, I have sold. Tu as vendu, you have sold. Il a is the avoir conjugation. You can see here, and vendu is the PPF. Elle a vendu, nous avons vendu, vous avez vendu. Ils ont, that is masculine plural, and ils ont is a avoir conjugation, and vendu is the PPF. Very simple. Okay. In this way, we can do the ER verb, IR verb, and RE verb. Okay. There are some irregular verbs which we should know for doing the passé composé. You can see here, avoir means to have, and its PPF is EU. So if you have to do it, avoir in passé composé, how will you do it? Take any subject. You can take any subject. For example, it's avoir. I'm just doing it je. So avoir conjugation is je, and the PPF is EU. Is it clear to you? Great. Next, just have a look at the PPF is été. So you need to write down avoir conjugation plus été. Let's take boire. Boire PPF is irregular. It does not have any rule. We have to learn it by heart. Boire means to drink, and the PPF is bu. For example, take a subject of tu. So tu as, this is our conjugation, and we put bu, which means you have drink. Next, lire. Lire, the PPF is lu. Taken subject is il. So il a, that is an avoir conjugation. Lu, il a, lu, very simple. If you want to make it nu, you can make it nu as well. Nous avons. Nous avons is the avoir conjugation. And simple lu, very easy. You can take it with dir. Dir means to say, and the PPF is dit. You can take it with third person plural. Ils ont. What will be the right answer? Dir. Dir, that is the PPF. In the same way, while using the PPF, you can do with any subject. You tell me which I should do now. Okay, let's do with comprendre. Comprendre means to understand. Which subject you want me to conjugate? We haven't done it vous. Vous avez, that is the avoir conjugation. And what is the PPF of comprendre? Comprendre PPF is comprise, which means you have understood. So is that you have understood? Let's hope you understood this. So in this way we can do the passé composé very easily, and some more irregular verbs like lire. You can see here lire, to read. Lu, I have told you. J'ai lu, tu as lu. Dire, dit, I have already told you. Dire, apprendre. Apprendre means to learn. The PPF is apprise, like comprendre. Comprendre PPF is comprise. Apprendre PPF is apprise. So il a appris or elle a appris. Faire, faire means to do. So I have done it in like masculine plural form. Ils ont fait or elles ont fait. Thank you so much. It was really nice teaching you. Hope you understand the passé composé and do the passé composé in better way. Au revoir. Bye bye.